our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Donald and Daisy Duck, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started further over from the center. So we're going to split our paper in half, stepping over slightly for this heart, and we're going to curve this around, pulling this in towards the middle, and then we'll replicate that on the right hand side. Let's come down. For the front of the face, we're going to come up on a diagonal. We're going to curve this down. And then we're going to come over, and we're going to replicate this on the right. We're just going to make this slightly longer for Donald's face. Now we're going to draw in the beak. So we're going to curve this line up, around, and in. We'll do the exact same thing on the left-hand side, just leaving a gap in the middle. Let's come over to this corner again, curving this down and out. Now let's start on the back here, curving this around and in. And then we're going to curve this back underneath, pulling this through to that line on the top. Let's come out for the eye, stepping in. We're going to arch this around, pulling this back down, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's close off the eyelid here, just drawing in a small curved line coming across for Donald. And then for Daisy, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to extend this further out for her eyelash there. Now let's draw in that small brow line. Let's focus on Daisy first now. So we're going to come up and we're going to curve this hair out, pulling that back in. We're going to arch this through towards the top, pulling that back across on the left. And then we're going to do that one more time, tucking this up and back through. Let's draw on the bow. So from this line, we're going to arch this line down, tucking that around and in. And then starting back in the inside corner here, we're just going to curve this out, pulling this back down, blending that together. In the center, we're going to curve this around and down. And then stepping back up, again, curving this around and in on the back. Now let's come over. We're going to be curving this line down on the back here. And then we're going to arch this line up and back through. Again, let's curve this line out and down for the back of the head. Let's round out the shoulder. So starting back on this line, we're going to curve this over and out, and then coming through on the back, we're just going to continue to curve this down, ending that at the same height. Let's close off the shoulder here. So we're just going to curve this down. Let's step up, replicating that one more time. We'll draw the arm as it comes out. So starting on the top here, we're going to curve this down and up. And then from that point, just curving this down, stepping over again, curving this up, and then back through. Moving down, curving this out and back through on the inside. And then now from here, we're just going to arch this over and across. Let's tuck the arm down, pulling this in on the inside. For the back, we're just going to curve this through. We're going to close off our tail, so we're just going to curve this out to the head, pulling this back in. And then again, bringing this up and over. Let's come down for the leg line here. So we're going to curve this out and in, arching this back down, pulling that up. Again, moving across, bringing this down and in. And then again, one more time, stepping over, curving this back around and through. Now for the leg, we're going to draw this kind of coming out on a curved diagonal line, stepping back, replicating that, making this one smaller. Now from here for the foot, we're going to curve this over, tucking that back in slightly. And then one more time, bringing this out and back through. Now for the back of the foot, curving this out and in. And then we're just going to pull this line up towards the top. Now stepping over, we're going to curve this back through. And now let's draw on the body. So coming underneath, we're going to curve this in. We're going to bring this line out, up and over towards that beak. And then for the shirt, we're just going to curve this down for the neckline. And then we're going to do the exact same thing moving down. We're just going to curve that across. So now that Daisy's finished, we're going to come across and focus on Donald now. So for the neckline, we're just going to curve this down. For the bow, we're going to arch this around and in. And then from that inside line, curving this back, across, and up. In the center, drawing in a small arch line. And then on the top, tucking that through. Let's focus on his head. It's coming up for that tuft of hair. We're going to curve this line out and then back in. And then we'll curve this through and back across. Let's draw on Donald's hat. So we're going to draw in a nice big curved line here. And then we're going to draw in 2 small diagonal lines coming out. Now from this line here, we're going to curve this out, pulling this back down. On the inside, we're going to curve this across, bringing this all the way through and in on the top. Now for the back, let's curve this line down and then back up. And then again, we're just going to curve this line out, pulling that back in. And then let's just color that in black. Now let's come through to the back of the head and we're just going to arch this down. We're going to pull this up, tucking that back in. And then from that point, we're going to curve this out, pulling that back through. Let's curve the back of the head in, leaving a gap. And then we'll close off the top of the shoulder here, just rounding this out, pulling that down to the bow. Let's come through on the back. We're just going to curve this line out. Stepping down on a diagonal for the arm, bringing that over, and then coming underneath, replicating that, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close off the sleeve with a curved line. We'll come in and do that 2 more times, so just 2 more curved lines. Now from here, stepping up, we're going to round this out on the shoulder, and then stepping through again, replicating that, finishing that off. Now for the hand, we're going to curve this line out, tucking this in and down. And then from that point, just curving that across. Now let's bring this line up, pulling that back through. Again, curving that up, bringing that back in. And then one more time, just curving this up and across. Let's draw in the back here. So we're going to round this out, curving that down. For the tail, pulling this out and in. And then again, one more time, just curving this up and down. Let's come underneath for the back of the body here. So we're just going to curve this in. Stepping up, arching this across for the top of the leg. Now we're going to pull a diagonal line coming out, stepping in, replicating that again one more time. Now for the foot, we're going to arch this line out, over and in. And then again, from that point, curving this further out, tucking that back through. Let's continue to close with the body, arching this in. For the back leg, drawing this diagonal line coming down, curving this back, around, and through. And then on the top, just arching this around and in. Now let's close off Donald's shirt. So we're going to start in the corner here, curving this down. We're going to curve this all the way through to the bottom. And then we're just going to draw in a small half circle for the button here. And that is it. That's how you draw Daisy and Donald Duck. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.